Most people don't know, but MacBook aspect ratio is not 16:9, but it is actually 16:10. And when we record our screen to create videos, and when we export that in 16:9 aspect ratio, or by selecting YouTube in export option, then also we get this vertical black ribbons in both left and right side of the video, as you can see. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually export in 16:9. So this black ribbon will not come, you will get full screen of video whether you upload it in YouTube or you play that in any media player. So let's get started. So I have this project open in DaVinci Resolve, and as you can see I have applied some editings, and then we have the video and its audio. So after you have done all of your editing, then what you need to do is that you need to click on this video part, and in the edit section you need to go to transform. Here we have zoom, position and other options. First we need to make sure that we have disabled this linked selection. When you click on it, if it's active it's white in color, and if you again click on it, it's disabled. It means that x-axis and y-axis you can zoom independently. So now what we need to do is that we need to press here on x-axis zoom and just swipe it right by pressing your mouse, and as you can see that our video got stretched all over the screen. It fits around 1.15 because MacBook aspect ratio is 16:10, and to make it 16:9 we need to do that. So now as you can see, if I go anywhere, as you can see it is perfect. Now when you export this video in 16:9 aspect ratio, you will not get any black ribbon in the left and right side of the screen. If you liked my video, then let me know in the comment section, guys. Thank you.